I'm telling you, the first 2 twists, I was very concerned. I was like, maybe I should just do locks or just do regular braids.
Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams.
Time it's okay.
Method for the island twist, y'all. Didn't I eat it down? She got her hair done for.
Oh my God.
Okay, beautiful people, so because I am having difficulty hiding the blonde in my hair, and got a 27 just to add a couple pieces of color so my blonde peeking through my twist will make sense.
So beautiful people, I am done. When I tell you this process was so tedious because this was my first time doing it, so I had to take my time to make sure I was doing it correctly. But I did want them to be a little larger. I guess I didn't use the hair proportions correctly. I'm a little afraid with the curly hair because this is not human hair. This is a synthetic hair, the pack of hair that I used. I used about 1, 2, 3, 4 packs. I do have quite a few strands of hair. Now I'm gonna be totally honest with you. This color, this hair, oh my God. Like, it's like a little fuzz ball. So I would definitely suggest keeping it within the 1, 1B, 2, 4 range. Or maybe it's just me because I'm a newbie to it. But this is the back. This at my butt, certain pieces are at my butt. I probably will do maybe like a 3-week, 2-week update on the hair, on the curly hair. I saw a young lady on YouTube. She actually put Eco Style gel on the curly hair just so it can maintain its, I guess, sheen so it doesn't look ratty or nappy. So I may try that out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's not a tutorial. This is my first time. Again, this is my first time doing my hair in this style. And I just wanted to show you guys me doing something different. There are so many videos out there. I had TikTok videos and YouTube videos that kind of inspired me and kind of self-taught me how to twist my hair. So I would definitely suggest looking at those videos. I can direct you to some. If you leave your questions below, I can direct you to some people that helped me. I hope you love it, because I do. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay blessed, be a blessing to others, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.